Today is the fourth day of our workshop and the seventh session, 3 to 5 sessions. Today we are going to discuss about the serial management. Please log in into your Koha interface so we can doing the practice at the same time. Okay. So first, it is important to know about the serial management. Serial management is an essential for us to maintain the collection of the periodicals like journal, magazine, newspapers, and the other serial publications. Effective serial management ensure that the library patrons have access to up-to-date informations and help librarians to manage their resource effectively. Serial management involves many tasks like acquiring, cataloging, processing, and maintaining the serial collections. So in the acquisition sections, the acquisition of serials involve the selecting and the purchasing of the new titles for the library collections. This task require a careful consideration of the library budget, but serial can be acquired through subscription, standing orders, and the single issue purchase. But we are not going to touch the in the deep of the acquisitions. Okay, today's sessions we are going to cataloging and the serial and claiming the late or unreceived serials. So with the electronic serial management, increase the availability of the electronic journals or other publications. Libraries increase use of the electronic serial management like Koha. These system provide tool to manage the access. You can keep your usage statistics, facilitating interlibrary loans, and keep the keep to track the records of your serials like issue number, volume number, it is received or not, and you can claim your unreceived volumes or issues. Okay, so first there are the two way to access the serials. First, you can click on the more menu and then at the top of the screen and choosing the serials. First is this one, and the second method is to click your home page and then click on your serial modules. Okay, if other module is open, for examples, I give you examples. If our cataloging module is open and you want to go direct to the serial modules, then this method, first method is very effectively for us. Click on the more and then go to the serial, top of your Koha interface, then click. Okay, the interface is open for you directly. So first thing, when Koha keeps the record of publications, first thing, manage the frequency of your serials. Already some frequency are given in your Koha interface or in your Koha databases. These are the frequency.
Screen is not shared yet.
In the frequency, there are the some field like descriptions, unit, issue per unit, unit per issue, display order, and the action button.
Sir, your screen is not
Descriptions.
visible, sir. Sir, your screen is not visible.
Okay, okay. Now it is visible.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So there are the two way to open the serial. First, click on the, if other module is open like cataloging is open in your screen, then you go to just click on the more side and then click on the serial. Okay, then your serial interface will be open. And other way to access the serial modules, like your home page is open, then direct click on the serial modules and your serial module will be open. Okay, so first thing is that to manage your serials, first you manage your frequency of a serials. Some are the basic settings like manage your frequency. So click on manage frequency, and there are the some frequencies already given in the Koha databases. There are the tables and the columns describe descriptions, unit, issue per unit, unit per issue, display order, and the action buttons. These are the so descriptions are given that uh, that will be appear in your drop down menu when creating a new subscriptions. When you create a new subscription for a particular journal, then the descriptions will be drop down menu, showing the drop down menu. So these are the descriptions, to/day and the unit. The unit used for counting the cycle of the publications, counting the cycles like to/day, yani the unit is a day, unit is a week, month, year. These are the unit for our publications. And next is the issue per unit. In unit, we have defined unit in the day, week, month, and year. So how many issues per day, per month, per week, and per year? Then the two issue per day. Then the two issue. And the unit per issue, one. Okay, so this describe the this unit and this describe the issues. This describe the unit. Day, 1 day, 2 units. On display order, which order this will be display. So in a drop down menu, when creating a new subscriptions, may you want to put the most used frequency at the top and the less frequency at the bottom. So you can decide your display order like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So first display on showing on the drop down menu on the first on the top, and the last display order in the bottom of the drop down facility. You can define your own frequency. If you feel that the frequency are not listed in this list, then you can define your own frequency. Like you can click, here are the 1/3 months. Okay, then the unit is a 1 come in the 3 months. Okay, then I want to decide 1 into 4 months. Total 3 issues come in the year. Then these are not listed here. Here are listed 4 issues come in the year. Then I can define, click on the new frequency, and you can describe. So we can remember when drop down menu is uh, access when creating a new subscriptions like 4 uh, 1 issues divided by 4 month. I define 4 months. Okay, the unit in the months. I decide unit in the months. Issue per unit, issues per unit, 1. इश्यूज पर यूनिट्स जो है वो आपका, और जो आएगा आपका इश्यूज पर यूनिट्स में आपको कितना आपको देना है, बाय एनुअल्स एनुअल्स आप डाल सकते हो, ठीक है ना। तो आपका वो आ जाए, और जो है तो यहाँ पे जो है हम इश्यू पर हमारा आएंगे कितने इश्यूज आने हैं एक यूनिट्स में हमारे पास, कि भाई हमारा जो है 4 मंथ का एक यूनिट्स होगा, तो 3 मंथ्स का एक यूनिट होगा, तो 4 हमारे पास में आने हैं 3 मंथ्स का। तो आपका जो है पर उसमें क्या होगा, इशू पर हो गया आपका कि भाई 4 आने हैं, ठीक है। एक आना है कितने यूनिट में, 3 में, ठीक है, 3 मंथ्स में। 3 मंथ्स का तो है हमारे पास में, 4 मंथ्स में हमारे पास एक आना है। डिस्प्ले ऑर्डर मेरा किस पे रखना चाहते हो, मैं कह रहा हूँ कि 15 पे ये आए, देन यू कैन सेव योर फ्रीक्वेंसी, तो योर न्यू फ्रीक्वेंसी एड इन द 15th month, 1 4, then you can easily जो है define your frequency here, one in come in 3 months and this issues come, one issues come in the 4 month, 4 मंथ में एक इशू आएगा, तो आपके टोटल 3 इशू आएंगे, इसमें आपके टोटल 4 इशू आएंगे। तो easily define you can easily define your frequency. If the frequency is not listed in your database, you can easily define your frequency as per your library unit. If you want to that the three issue come in a year and every 4 months a issue in come, then you can define the issue per unit 1 and the unit per issue is the 4 months, one issue. Okay, and this is the display order. I want to display these frequency on the 15th number, yeah, bottom of the drop menu when I subscribe the new subscriptions, create the new subscriptions. Then you can manage your next, you can manage your numbering patterns. You can manage your serial numbering pattern. Every time you create a numbering pattern in a serial, है ना, तो you save it for the later. So first manage your patterns. These pattern access available the manage memory patterns. तो this page जो है, if you have upgrade an old version, then adding a numbering pattern. To add a number pattern, clicking on the new number patterns. If you want to add in, otherwise some number patterns are already given in the Koha databases. Some like number, sessional, volume number, issue number. These are the name, these are the descriptions, these are the formula, and it is a order. Okay, name describe जो है show in the drop down menu when you claim, when you create a new serial subscriptions. Okay, and then description, this is to further describe the numbering patterns, like simple numbering methods, just number 1 2 3 4 5. This is the seasonal, winter session, summer session, and this action guide, and is the volume number and the issue number, volume number and the issue number, and this is the volume number, volume number and issues, volume 13, number 4, issue number 2. This type of the descriptions will be given, these type of, okay. You can also create your own numbering patterns. Then create the new numbering patterns and fill name. You should give name which is shown in the drop down menu. Okay, so then I'll for examples, month and the year, month and year. Okay, I give the names. Then you can describe, that's show in the month and year of publications. Then enter the numbering formula. I want to month and the year. So numbering formula is the X for the month and the comma or Y for the year. Okay, we have two digit formula. If I add day, month, and the year, then X, Y, and Z. You create within the bracket X, Y, or Z. This is your numbering formula. Display order, you can set your display order on the I want to on fifth numbers. Okay, then this is the X value, this is the Y value, and this is the Z value. For X value, I click label as a month. Here I present X value for the month and Y value for the year, then add 1 month first and the 1 year, then every one. Okay, and then every 12, then set to back 0 0. After complete the month, then come to the 0 when more than 11. Okay, when more than 11 month, because our month are starting from the 0 to 11, there are the 12 month. Okay, and here so formatting name of the month. You can also use the abbreviative for January, JAN. If you want to full month name, then click on the name of the month, and you can 99 9, you can add any digit for the when more than 9, and the name of the uh, you can leave this blank, you can enter save. Okay, then our month and year formulas or numbering pattern save our databases. Now you can now come on the serial and time to subscribe the new serials or new journals. How to add a subscriptions in our databases. How to add a subscriptions in database. There are the two way. If the journal is already subscribed and you want to renew it, then just type in ISSN number or on type the title number and go. If you want to subscribe the new subscriptions or adding the new subscription, then click on the new subscriptions button and a pop-up window will be opened. Okay, then first select the vendor, search for the vendor. You can add your vendor in the acquisitions module also. Okay, if you want to add the vendors, so you can add the vendor from the acquisition, or you leave the blank. Search for the vendors. Vendor name Happy Bookstore. Okay. Yes. Choose the vendor. I choose the vendor one Happy Bookstore. Then record. Search for the record. If your serial, your publications, your journal is already in the databases, you can just search for the record. You can search and enter. If it is not already subscribed, then create a record. Okay, then a framework will be open for the serials. These are the framework which is open for the serials. So there are the some basic mark tag which we fill, okay, and other we left the blank. So first click on the required field. You can customize your framework. Dr. DP Tripathi has already discussed in the cataloging how to customize the framework. So you can customize the framework for the serial like a books framework. Okay, or you can upload a framework for the serial. So just click the required and LISCUH. Then come return the ISSN number. Right, here, write your ISSN number for the particular Okay, so I write, I assume I search any journal. Journal, for example, Journal of Librarianship. Okay, Journal of Librarianship. So I write here 2022 dollar A International Standard Serial Number. Just I write the serial number 17416477. Okay, and then come to the and then come to the 245 title of the journals. So title of the journals, Journal of Librarianship and and Information Science. Okay, so I just fill the minimum informations. If we going for the all the information, it takes so much times. So I just fill the minimum and come on to 9. Select your Koha item types. So we have not created the item types. So first we need to create a item types. Then click on the home page, right click, open in a new tab. Okay. Then Koha administration, item types, then new item types. You can create at the same time. Okay. Then okay, periodical. So you can search category. You also select the image for the periodicals. If you want to put any image, so you can not for loan. Okay, and then you can also limit to a particular library and then save change. Our items PM periodicals have been created. Now create a records. We have already opened. No? Okay, just I fill the all the required informations. Just click and go to the 022A for the ISSN number. I write the ISSN number 17416 477. Okay, and then come on the 245 for the title. I just write the title. Okay, just write the title and the come on the 942 type. Then select the periodicals which we have added already, and then click on the save. Zero tracing. Okay, go to the field tracing. Who create the tracing? DLIS CUH, and then click on the save. Okay, then the record is open in the add items like a book. You can entry your serial like a book. There are also two parts, one for the bibliographic and second part for the items. Now we click we click on the central library. Okay, we subscribe this for the central library, then we select the central library. You select your location, we put on display or processing. Okay, we put on this on the display, date of acquired, or you okay, and then please leave the blank barcode. Please leave the blank of the barcode, because we have not given the barcode to the accession number if even when we not a single issue. Okay, then please leave the blank barcode. If your library give to a particular accession number to the to a single issue or single volume, then you can write the barcode. Otherwise, you can uh, leave this field. Okay, then select the Koha item type as a periodicals, and to add a items, click on add a items. Okay, then your journals is added. Then close the window. Close the window. Now click search for the record, because we have added the record. Search for the record. Journal. Okay, and search. These journals, the search items is highlight or shown in your Koha interface. Choose the journal. Okay, then your record number is entered here. If you wish, okay, then when receiving the serial, create an item. Yes. When receive the irregular issue, skip keep issue. Don't create an item record, because we have already created. Okay. When there is a irregular issue, no, it is not irregular. Manual history, no. Call number, leave the blank. Library, you select your particular library. Okay. You add the public note, which is display on the OPAC, or you add a personal or staff note, which is not public not showing the OPAC. Then notifications, pattern notifications, you can give the new serial issue. Selecting a notice will allow pattern to subscribe the notifications. When a news issue is received, the notifications will give to the automatically sent to the patrons. Okay. Then locations, you can also select your location. Journals tag, new material cell, fonts, display. So we want to put a grace, you enter your grace period, number of issue to display to staff, how many, and the number of issues to display to. Yeah. So you can add the numbers. So you okay, just add the, these are the record number is our required field, R are the option. So click on the next. Then first issue publication date. Describe the first issue publication date when the journal is published. Its first issue. So select your first. For examples, I today. Okay, or maybe you have set for the January 1 January 2024. Okay, 1 January 2024. What is the frequency of your journals which you are subscribing? Then these are the frequency. I added this last show in bottom. So there are the two issue come a year biannual. So I select the two issues per year. Okay, or you can select more 3 weeks. You can also on 3 months, 3 weeks. Okay, then subscriptions length, issues, how many issues income, enter the amount in numerical value. So there are the 4 issues. Okay, there are the 4 issues come in a year. So subscriptions date start. Okay, so you can subscribe, you can enter your subscription date. I enter the 1st January 2024, or maybe I enter the today. Okay, I entered for the today. Subscriptions end date you can write, or you leave blank. And numbering pattern, please choose the numbering pattern. Volume number, issue number, volume or number and issue number. Okay, volume, number and issue, or volume or number. So I select the volume and the number. And if emphatic English is used, you can use your any languages which is local. Okay, then test the predictions pattern. You can test these patterns. So there are the four issues: volume 0 and the issue number 0, volume 0 and issue number 1, issue number 2, issue number 3 and issue number 4. These are the value. Okay, then so you can, or you can manage your volume number and issue numbers here. Begins with the volume number. I suppose I subscribe the journal where volume number going with the 45s and the issue number with the 1. Then test your, okay. Then volume number 45, issue number 1, publications date 1/1/024, or the last date of a publication 10/10/1/04. Okay. So publications dates, and then these are the first month, fourth month, 7th month, or 10th month. These are the publications date. Okay. 1 January 2024, 1 April 2024. These are the, so you can, if it is okay, then you can select the additionals. If you select locations for the particulars like on display, journal stack, so then you can and the save your subscriptions. Now you subscribe your journals and the entry is done in your systems. The subscriptions of journal of library and information science. Okay, issue expected 1/1/2024. Summary, planning. Okay, manual history disables number patterns, and then these are the planning. Number of issues 4 in a year. When you receive your issues, then just like I received in January, just click on the serial modules and then click search with the ISSN number or search with the title. I just like enter the title. Okay. Journal of Librarianship. Then click Journal of Librarianship. These are our Journal of Librarianship. Okay. So you just, these are the action button. Serial stacks on, it is display expected date, expiring of date 1/1/2025. Okay. On display, subscribe by Central Library. These are the ISSN number and these are the title of the journals. So you can receive, just click here on these actions button, show you new routing list and issue history. You can check the issues history. So just I received the, to click on serial receive. Okay, then these are the number published on and expected, and then just click the arrived. Okay, these are the status: arrived, late, missing, never received, missing, sold out, missing, damaged, missing, lost, claimed, not available, or delete. These are the status. So just click on the leave. Okay, and you write your notes, or otherwise just save. Then first issue is volume number 45, number 1, arrived at the Central Library. Okay, next जो है expected date है 1 April 2024, where volume 45, issue number 2 expected. Okay, just when you want to receive this, then click edit serial and then just change the status Okay, if you cannot receive this particular issue, then click on the late and then save. Okay, you are not receive the late and then expected, edit, and you can also receive the next. These are the late and enter. Okay, so we have arrived first and first month and the 7th month, and the 4 month issues we have not received. Then you can claim your unreceived issues. So just when you claim the unreceived journal, just open the open your journal, subscribe journal, and then click on the title and click on claims. Claim. These are the vendor where we subscribe our journals and click OK. These are the volume number 2 we have late status. Okay. Then now select and issue to claim. Download the selected claim. You can download your claims. Your serials claims is downloaded. These are the details. So now you can mail to direct to the distributor or publisher for the claim, or you can print and send by post for the claims. Okay, so you can claim. When your claim is received, then just open your journal. Okay, search the journal with the title or with the ISSN number, just open and click on receive. Okay, then these are the note. Sorry, claims. We have already click on the claims. No, yes, we have already claimed. These are the display claims numbers. Just open your open your serial. Click on the journal. Okay, journal. Journal. Then issue history. You can check also issue history. Okay. Then select the claim. It is select the claim and edit serials and change the status to arrived and then save. Okay. Or you can check two issues at the same time. Like if the two issues received at the same time, then you receive the two issue at the same times. Okay, arrived and save. Okay, then subscriptions expired. Okay, because we have all the four issued has been received from the publishers. Now automatic new 2025 is created. Okay, then you can renew your subscriptions. Just click on renew. Okay, and you can edit the next volume 45 number 5 received on 10, or you can just receive the. Okay, the this is are the process how to manage, how to add the subscriptions of new subscriptions in our Koha databases, or how to claim the missing or lost or unreceived issues for the. Okay, this is the how to manage their serial holding or subscriptions. So these are the process. Okay. Check your expirations. You can click check expirations and enter your title. Then select your date. 31 December. Okay. क्या required तो है no search for the query. Okay. Titles, journals, journal. Expiring before 2024 हाँ रिक्वायर्ड ठीक है. Library, central library, journal. Okay, I write the misspell journal. Okay, then this is show expiring date 12/14/2024. So now you can just check expiring with the title or ISSN number. Just click on search and you can renew from here. Click the renew options and now starting date and subscriptions length and issues is defined. Okay, starting date 1/1/25, then submit and serial subscriptions जो है renewed. Just one click you can renew your subscriptions. Now you can easily check your subscriptions journal. Okay, then the expiry date is 1/1/26. So you can just click and check all the details, biblio details, librarian identity, subscriptions ID, item, library, biblio, on display. These are the planning. Okay. Beginning date 1/1/25. These are the frequency and these are the issues we have received. Okay, 45, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And these are the next which we received in the 2025. Okay, you can just receive or check your. So these are the procedures how to subscribe say new subscriptions from the Koha. Okay. So today's sessions is completed. Now the next session we will going to discuss how to serial check-in and how to handling missing issues and claiming, how to renew or cancel the serial subscriptions, and how to generate the custom reports. These topic will be covered in our evening 6 to 8 session by Dr. DP Tripathi. If you have any query regarding these sessions, you can ask. You have any question regarding this? You can ask. Have you any questions? Okay, so please practice for this session, and if you have feel face any problems or any issue regarding this session, you can ask the question in the evening session. Okay. So please subscribe minimum 2 journal in your account. Okay. In your library. Please subscribe 2 journals, minimum 2 journals. Sir, I am little confused in beginning before subscribing a new journal. How could we input so much detail? Yeah, you can so much detail all the necessary field you can fill like the books. I shared my screen. 1 minute. Share descriptions. Oh. You can enter your uh, details, journals details by importing the entry. Click on cataloging and stage record for the import, and direct entries will be added in the your framework. है ना? Please select the framework for the serials. Serials. You can add the entry for the serial from here, or you can add the entry for the new sub by clicking the serial management and new subscriptions and create a record. You can create a record for the serial control by here or by clicking on the by clicking on the catalog. है ना? The I open, you can fill all the necessary informations in detailed this framework. This framework 0 to 9. All the necessary fields are there. You just filled your all the informations like publisher, distributors. Okay, all these fields are available. 245, write your title, 250 editions, 260 publications, place of the publication, name of the publisher or distributor, date of the publication or distributions. Please fill all the necessary informations. Okay, so now here you can fill detailed informations for your serial. Any other? Any other questions? Before the subscribing. Yes, Meenakshi?
No, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Before the subscribing, you enter a journal in the cataloging section, है ना? Like a book entry. Like a book entry, you can enter your serial entry. Then you can go for the when you go for the subscription, just go on the serial new subscriptions and search the record. You not need to fill the added new records after the for the subscriptions.
Okay.
Okay, so you can also add record from the cataloging section for the serial. You can also add the record from the cataloging section, or you may uh, add a record from the serial. Okay, but when you add the record from the cataloging section, you remember select the serial framework, not a book framework.
Okay.
Or you can customize your serial framework like a book framework. Any other question?
हेलो सर।
यस,
सर जनरल जो है परचेज करने के बाद सर उसको रिसीव करने का थोड़ा बता दीजिए, रिसीव कैसे करेंगे?
जर्नल को सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद रिसीव कैसे करें?
ये सर।
यस, देखो जैसे आपने सब्सक्राइब कर रखा है जर्नल, तो उसको क्या करना है, आपको जस्ट उसके टाइटल से सर्च कर लो, या आईएसएसएन नंबर है आपके पास तो आईएसएसएन से सर्च कर लो। जैसे जर्नल, मैंने जर्नल ऑफ लाइब्रेरियनशिप है, तो खाली फर्स्ट वर्ड से भी आप सिलेक्ट कर सर्च कर सकते हो, या उसका पूरा नाम भी जो है वो डाल के भी सर्च कर सकते हो। जैसा भी आपको सुटेबल लगे आप उसको, सॉरी, LIBRIAN, लाइब्रेरियनशिप, जैसा भी आपको सुटेबल लगे आप उसको सर्च कर लो। ओके, तो ये हमारा जो है यहाँ आपके पास में जो है वो अभी इसका सब्सक्रिप्शन, सीरियल सब्सक्रिप्शन 1 पाउंड जो है वो हमारा क्लोज्ड हो चुका है, क्योंकि इसमें हमें क्या है कि भाई कंप्लीट हो चुका है इसका। आप रीओपन करने के लिए क्या करो, रीओपन। अगर आपका फ्रेश है तो आपको यहाँ डायरेक्ट जो है ये ऑप्शंस खुल के आ जाएगा, क्लोज्ड वाला नहीं आएगा, ओपन में आ जाएगा। ठीक है, तो जस्ट आपको क्या करना है, यहाँ पे सीरियल रिसीव लिखा हुआ है, यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है। तो जैसे ही आप क्लिक करते हो तो यहाँ उसका जो आपने पैटर्न डाला है, वॉल्यूम नंबर, इश्यू नंबर, तो उसमें आपका आ जाएगा ये वॉल्यूम नंबर 45, इश्यू नंबर 5, जो मुझे 1 जनवरी 2025 को रिसीव होना। मान के चलो कि भाई आज 1 जनवरी 2025 है और आज मुझे ये रिसीव हो रहा है, तो जस्ट आपको क्या करना है, स्टेटस चेंज करना है, एक्सपेक्टेड टू अराइव्ड, कि भाई ये हमारा आ गया, एंड देन सेव। तो आप उसको सेव कर दो बस। तो यहां आपको स्टेटस आ जाएगा, देखो कि 1 जनवरी 2025 पब्लिश्ड, और रिसीव्ड जो है ये आज की डेट है, इसको आप अवॉइड कर दो क्योंकि हमने आगे की डेट डाली हुई है। जिस भी डेट को आपको वो रिसीव हुआ वो डेट आ जाएगी, उसका वॉल्यूम, इश्यू नंबर, और यहाँ आ जाएगा स्टेटस अराइव्ड। ठीक है, और ये आप लिस्ट को प्रिंट भी कर सकते हो। अब नेक्स्ट आपका कब आना है वो डेट भी आपकी यहाँ पे आ जाएगी, और यहाँ जो है स्टेटस रहेगा एक्सपेक्टेड, कि हम एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि इस डेट तक हमें ये रिसीव हो जाएगा। जब भी आपको इसको रिसीव करना है तो आप जस्ट इसको सेलेक्ट करो और यहां से क्या है, एडिट सीरियल कर लो। ठीक है ना। अगर आपको लगता है भाई एक से ज्यादा एक साथ में रिसीव हुए हैं, तो आप मल्टी रिसीविंग भी कर सकते हो, यहां से मल्टी रिसीव। हाउ मेनी इश्यूज डू यू रिसीव टू वांट, मैं कह रहा हूं कि भाई 2 इश्यूज हैं, सेट द रिसीव टुडे, यस, ओके, मुझे 2 इशू इकट्ठे हुए तो ओके। बस अब देखो आपका 6th और 7th भी अराइव्ड हो गया। एक साथ आप 2 3 4 इशू अगर हमें एक साथ भी रिसीव्ड हो रहे हैं उसी डेट में, तो हम उनको एक साथ भी कर सकते हैं। नहीं तो आप क्या करो, एडिट सीरियल, और यहां से उसका स्टेटस, अगर वो हमें रिसीव नहीं हुआ, लेट हो गया हमारा, तो हम उसको यहाँ पे लेट पे डाल देंगे। लेट पे या मिसिंग पे आप डाल सकते हो, लेट पे डाल देंगे और सेव कर देंगे। तो वो क्या है कि फिर हमारा वो क्लेम में चला जाएगा, हम यहाँ से उसको फिर कभी भी जो है क्लेम कर सकते हैं। बस वेंडर को सर्च करो और जो है यहाँ देखो ये हमारा क्लेम में आ गया। क्यों, इसका स्टेटस हमारा लेट है। तो आप यहाँ जस्ट इसको सेलेक्ट करो और डाउन सेलेक्टेड क्लेम्स, तो डाउनलोड कर लो अपना क्लेम्स। ठीक है, ये यहाँ पे जो है, और वो उसका प्रिंट आउट या उसको बाय मेल जो है आप क्लेम कर सकते हो। तो ये ऑप्शंस है आपका कि किस तरह से हम सिंगल रिसीव कर सकते हैं, मल्टीपल रिसीव कर सकते हैं, किस तरह से हम क्लेम कर सकते हैं। और जो सीरियल्स की एंट्री है वो लाइक ए बुक, बस बुक में आपको बुक्स का फ्रेमवर्क सर्च सेलेक्ट करना है, और सीरियल्स में आपको सीरियल्स का फ्रेमवर्क सेलेक्ट करना है, ताकि आपके पास में सभी मार्केट टैग ना आए, जो हमारे रिलेटेड टू सीरियल्स है वही टैग आए। और आप अपने फ्रेमवर्क को कस्टमाइज भी कर सकते हो, जैसे त्रिपाठी सर ने पहले सेशन में बताया था कि बुक्स को हम जो है अपलोड किया हुआ था ना फ्रेमवर्क को, वैसे ही आप अपने अपलोड भी कर सकते हो वहां पे और उसको कस्टमाइज भी कर सकते हो। क्लियर हुआ?
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर।
एनी अदर क्वेश्चन? Hope all of you are understand how to add a frequency, how to add a numbering patterns, and how to subscribe the new serials, or how to adding a subscriptions in your databases. Okay, so you can Koha give you a facility to edit the subscriptions. If you want to edit the subscriptions, so Koha is already giving you a facility to edit the subscriptions. Just I give you open your and then click the title and then click on the edit subscriptions, edit record. You can also delete the subscriptions, edit the records, edit the subscriptions. If I want to edit the subscriptions, then you can click on the edit subscriptions. Okay, these are the types which you can modify according to your needs. Okay, call number, history, new serial issues on display. So you can modify your subscriptions if you want. You can close the subscriptions. If you want to close your subscription, then you can close your subscriptions. Okay, you can close your subscription. Or you renew the subscriptions. You can renew the subscription for the next year. You can click just renew the subscriptions. Okay, these are create the serial collections. You can create a routing list if you want to route your issues or give the information about your new issued issue. So you can route your journal. Okay, routing like your cash and SDI services. You can routing your journals. Then just select the issue number which you route within the users. Then select the recipient. Just add, click on and the search uh, and select the library like this workshop library category. If you want like RS search the you can search any users like central library category research scholar and the search. Okay, so there are the two research scholars. So click on add and then click on add. The two research scholar is add for your routing list and write a note for the scholars and click on the save. Okay, save and preview routing slip. So you can check your routing slip. Central library, journal, name, date to change this note, edit routing list note system preference. So you can edit this lost note, otherwise print and circulate, or you can circulate via email and click on routing list. So you can, okay, so you can edit from here, click to edit. These are the to change this note edit. So you write a note for the subscriptions or routing list, then you can write your note here and click on save all changes. Then your list note is changed for the routing. Okay, so just it is a service to route your new issue between the between your users or between your selected list. If you want to route the new arrivals between the researchers, so you can easily perform by the Koha. Okay, routing services. Okay, then okay. So today's session is over. We will meet at evening 6 to 8 p.m. and cover the serial check-in process, handling missing issues and claiming, renewing and canceling the serial subscriptions, and generating the custom report for the serials. Okay. So best of luck. Have a nice day.
Sir.
Hmm.